Hello guys, welcome to Nice Tech Info. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do initial configuration on Windows Server 2022. So without further ado, let's begin this tutorial. Alright, so first off, I'm going to go into Start. And I'm going to type in Control Panel. You see this over here. Then I'm going to click on Network and Internet. Check that your view by is set to category. So click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Then I'm going to choose Change Adapter Settings. And then I'm going to choose Properties. Then we're going to IPv4 and choose Properties. So what we're going to do now, we are going to assign a static IP address to this server, as it can help when assigning other servers to this domain, and you want to obviously have the IP address, all the same and not constantly changing, as it can cause some problems down the line. So for my static IP address, I'm just going to obtain an IP address from DHCP. I'm going to do that by doing Windows key and R, typing in cmd, and typing ipconfig. As you can see, my IP address is 192.168.1.60, which was the IP address that was given to me by DHCP. So I'm going to be using that for this example, but you can use whatever you want. So 60, and your subnet mask and your default gateway, which in my case is 192.168.1.1. And your DNS server can also be the same as your default gateway, if you like. So 192.168.1.1. Click on OK and close. Now we're going to assign a user-friendly name for the server, as it can just help also in some situations, and if you change it down the line when you have a couple of things already installed on the server, it can cause some serious effects. So we're going to change it now before we install anything. So we're going to Start, type in this PC, right click it, and choose Properties. Then we're going to click on Rename this PC. As you can see, it's quite complex, so we're just going to change it to, in my case, NTI SVR 01, but you can change it to whatever you like. So click on Next. And now we should get a prompt to reboot the server, which we'll do now. Okay, so as you can see, we are now back in Windows Server. And if you wait for Server Manager to load, which will take a few seconds, as you can see, if we go into Local Server, you can see that our computer name is now NTI SVR01, and you can see that our IP address is 192.168.1.60. And this means you have now completed the initial configuration, and you can start installing roles. And that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you would like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below, or you can check out our Discord server and Instagram page, which are the links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching.